Hi everyone, Anita here. So today we're gonna do again I Love Etsy list 10, and this one is episode number 14. So I'm gonna show you the items that I've listed already in my Etsy shop, and then I'm gonna show you a few things from my Halloween lot that I purchased that I'll be listing tomorrow. Okay, let's get started. I did put them in little baggies here because I don't like them touching each other and scratching, getting scratches on them. So I do always separate them. So the first one I have is hearts. Here we go. And these are little poofy hearts. Poofy, puffy hearts. And let's see, they are sterling silver. They are marked and of course tested. And no dents on them or anything. They're really cute. And they are marked in the back. And these I listed for $10. And I did already put a sale on them for 20% off. Okay, so next, what is this? Am I seeing things here? Okay. I'm trying to keep this clean, but it's very hard. Okay, next one we have is two-sided. Okay. This is very interesting, this ring here. It's a ring and it turns, see, it spins around. It's across with little scroll work on this side, and it has some kind of purple gemstone on this side. So it's really cute when you wear it. You can wear it on both sides. And this one I listed it for $25, and it's a size 6 3/4. Very pretty. Okay, what do we have next? So it's like having two rings. Where'd the bag go? Okay, hang on guys, I lost the bag. Okay, here it is. Okay, next we have native earrings. This one here. I'm not sure what the stone is in the center. It looks kind of like a pearl, kind of like a mother of pearl. And they are native earrings. They are marked in the back. And it says like some kind of, it does look like an F there. And it does say sterling. It doesn't have the backs. And this one, I listed it for $30. And it's going to be less than that with the 20% off. Okay, and it's a nice size too. And not very heavy. Star ring. Okay, this one here. Okay, this one, it kind of looks like a buckle, and it's a little star. And this is a small ring. This one is a size 5.5. So if you have small fingers, this one's for you. And this is also marked. This one I listed it for $15 because it's small. But it is a pretty heavy ring. So let's not lose the bag. Okay. Marcasite earrings. Okay, this one here. Square earrings with marcasite stones. And these are clip-ons. Very pretty earrings. And these ones are marked all over here and on the end over here. And they are marked over here 925. And these I listed them for $18. And it's a lot of stones on here. Very pretty. Okay. Next one here is a piano. Okay, it's a very pretty brooch. And it is dimensional. And this one is marked by the company, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Beau, B-E-A-U. And it does have the mark here on top. It is in really good condition, no scratches or anything on here. And this one I listed it for $18. If you know somebody that plays the piano, that loves jewelry, this would be perfect. Okay. Next we have 925 heart. Okay, this one here. Okay, this one is it's a heart pendant, and this also has marcasite on here, and it is marked here in the back. It says 925, and then there's kind of like it looks kind of like the letter R. You will see it better in the pictures in the listing, and it does come with a necklace. This kind of, it reminds me over here of the David Yurman designs. These areas here. This one I listed it for 25. It's a pretty heavy piece here. Okay, so next we have green earrings. This one here. Okay. These kind of look like the cat's eye stones in here, but I'm not 100% sure. That's why I also wrote green earrings. So I don't know if they are, if they're not. See, they're green, very pretty earrings, and they are marked in the bottom here. And I listed these for $15. And these have the backs. Okay, and we have green earrings again. Okay, these ones also, I don't know if these are real stones or not, so I just put peridot question mark. And these have that little area here, kind of like the David Yurman design. And these also have the backs, and these I listed them for $20. I don't know if they're real stones or not. Okay, next we have these little tiny earrings, and little tiny seahorses, very cute enamel cloisonne earrings here in blue and purple. And these do have the backs too. I listed these only for $8. It's very cute. Great for summer, you know, the beach look. Okay. So that's it for what I listed today. These are some of the stuff I'm going to be listing tomorrow, and these came out of my Halloween lot. I'm going to show you some of the cute ones. Okay. Look at these earrings. Okay. They're bats, and then it has kind of like a dangle on the bottom, and it's red and black. And these aren't real stones, they're plastic, but they're really interesting looking. So we have these, and then I have this plastic one here. Oh no, I didn't bring oh, I can't see. Okay, of course I can't see anything, but well, I think that's Hallmark. Okay. I have this brooch here of a skeleton with the, you know, the wiggly legs here and the arms, and it's in really great condition, and it is marked in the back Hallmark. And I don't know how much I'm going to list these for yet, but I wanted to show you some of the cute ones. Okay, and then we have some stretch bracelets made out of glass. This one has pumpkins and little boo and spider webs. I'll probably make a lot out of both of these. This one has bats and ghosts. Again, they have pretty good stretch to them, so I'll probably lot these two up. And then we have the dyed howlite ones. Look at this one. It's really big ones too. Green skulls here. And then we have the turquoise color ones. So these are really nice too. And I don't know if I'm going to lock these up yet. And then we have of course we all need the black cat. And this one is by Russ Cards. And then what else do we have? Oh, look at these. Okay, these are so cute. The skeleton earrings. And the head fell to the side, the skull. Okay, and here's the other one. These are really nice. I've sold a lot of these last year, these type of earrings. And I'm trying to get a good picture of them, but here we go. Okay, these are larger, so you'll be able to see these ones. These are plastic white ones with red eyes. Oh my God, here. There we go. Look at these guys. And what does this say on here? Halloween, Aries, surgical steel post. And then it has an item number. And this is also by Russ Cards. Okay, next we have a pumpkin brooch here. And I don't know if you can see it, but it has glitter on the inside. And we have this one here. These are just some of them. I have a lot of them. Look at this. This is fun. And this one doesn't say here. It's made in China is what it says. Okay. And then we have this ceramic one. Very cute. Look at this one here. A little rhinestone one. A little ghost. Okay. And then we have this metallic one here. No marks on it. And then we have, of course, the cat again. This one has glitter on this one. Okay. And then we have the witch. And this one here is, I think, Hallmark also. I don't know what this one is, but it looks Halloweenish. And then we have the little bats here with the red eyes and the little red stone on top. And these ones are marked in the back. It says AS. I'm not sure what that is. But these are some of the ones that I'll be listing tomorrow. I'll be listing a few more than the ones I just showed, but I wanted to show you some of them. I hope you guys had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye. Thank you for watching.